Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. So today I am joining hashtag Christmas Crafting, and that's with Sybil here on YouTube, and she just wants you to create something each week for the month of July and post a video to her hashtag. Once again, that's hashtag Christmas Crafting. She's having giveaways and just want everybody to join the fun. So here I am last minute trying to upload my video for this week, and let me share with you what I used to make my card. So in my stash I had this envelope full of some Christmas greenery that I had cut out and used in a project, and this was my extra. And then I had some little cute little teapots and some other little cut aparts in there. So I wanted to use some of the greenery, so this is most likely from Spellbinders. And then I used a holiday applique that I got from Joanne a couple of years ago, and you'll see what it is once you see the card. But these were marked down like $1, and I always wanted to use them, and I kept pushing them aside each Christmas, and this time I am determined because I've made the cards using them. And then from Waffle Flower, I used this stamp set, and this is called Holiday Hugs. It's super cute. It has a lot of sentiments saying hug in it, and it says can't wait to hug you in person, sending hugs across the mile, Merry Christmas, holiday hugs, and mistletoe kisses. How cute is that? So I use this for the inside of my card. And then from, I guess this was the Michael's Recollection Collection. Rhyme there. It's pretty old. I don't see the year on here, but this was called Peppermint Lane. And I purchased this, and I hadn't really used it that much, but it's super cute. So if you have this in your stash, you may want to go out and pull it out and use it. It's kind of got reds and pinks and has some tags in here to cut apart. I like this page, the Christmas trees. Super cute little Christmas paper pad. And once again, it's called Peppermint Lane. So what I did was I made some cards for my nephews and niece. When I send them cards, I try not to go all out because they're kids and they're gonna look at the card, and then I'm gonna look and see what's on the inside of the card. So let me share the cards, simple cards that I made. So here they are. It's just this cute little Santa Claus, and then I used the little greenery, and I just glued this on. It's pretty heavy, but it's super cute. I used some glitter paper from Cricut, which really matched the hat pretty good, I thought. So it's the same design for each card, except I used this paper because I have a brother and sister that I'll be sending. I didn't want them to have the same, paper. But super simple card. I'm just using the greenery to accent it. I'm not putting any other bling on it. It doesn't need it, I think, because it's already pretty cute and sparkly. So let me know what you think below of these super simple Christmas cards. Thanks for watching, and once again, this is for hashtag Christmas Crafting with Sybil here on YouTube. So check all the people joining by using the hashtag Christmas Crafting, and maybe join yourself. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.